California is making Arizona go through the roof because people are leaving the state of California. They're migrating out. They're going to Texas, or they're going to Montana, or they're going to Utah. Okay, that's what he's doing. The tax policy drove me out of the state 9 years ago.
You want to invest in an area that you believe will be a more desirable area, because if you invest in an area where businesses are moving to, where people are moving to, where jobs are moving to, you own that land, you own that property, you own that building that is now more valuable because more people want to be here. So now rents are higher, property values are higher.
This is why this stuff gets complicated and why people turn their brains off. Because for instance, if you pick the wrong neighborhood, you can lose your ass.
Right.
It's far more important what boat you are in rather than how hard you row. And I think a lot of you guys are in rowboats, and you need a bigger opportunity vehicle. Time allocation is the only thing that matters. If you master time, you will master material success.